Hey there, coming to you from my office where I'm editing a video. And I want to talk about something very quickly, and that is, why do YouTubers like to talk about YouTube? I don't know if you've noticed, but quite a few do, and they show behind the scenes videos and all that. And there's a very simple reason for that. And I think it was put best by, I watched in an interview with Billy Corgan from the Smashing Pumpkins, and he was talking about his career and some of the things that he had to go through, on along the way. And one of the things he was talking about was songwriting, and how he was almost caught into the trap that so many other artists are, of starting to write songs about being on the road. If you're on tour, you got to be traveling here, there, and everywhere, between shows to get there. And at some point, after you get started, this becomes the main focus of your life. So in the beginning, he was writing his songs about his experiences with life. And part of his experience with life at that point didn't involve, the music industry, and in particular, touring around or spending so much time on the road between shows and all that. So at some point, of course, that became, the main focus of his life was this touring thing. And that is exactly what happens with people that do YouTube, is that this becomes a big part of what they're doing. And so they are obviously interested in it. And of course, other YouTubers are interested in it as well. But the vast majority of the public are in no way interested in this type of thing right here. Like, I could talk about what I'm doing here with the editing and all that, and it'd be very fascinating to me if I were to listen to it back, and I'm sure it would be very interesting to someone else who does a lot of video editing and, does project videos and whatnot. But for the average viewer, no, they're not really interested in that. And this is what Billy Corgan said. He said, there are quite a few people that write songs about, being on the road and so on and so forth. And this is the motivation for it, because it's a big part of their life as they're doing it. These are the experiences that are happening for them now.